So hello friends, today here with Ujasvi Malik, and today I'm gonna show you that how to make an object move in Scratch. So let's begin with it. So here I have chosen Breakdancer 1 as my default sprite. Let's go to Events tab, and now we'll drag when space key pressed block in this area, and let's go to Control and drag forever block. Now we have to go to looks and we need to go to control and drag wait 1 second block to this area. Let's go to motion, and then we need to drag next costume block in this area. So let's test it. Oh yeah, it's working. So let's start. So let's make our background also colorful. So here we need to go to this tab, and now we are gonna draw some shapes. Okay. Now this. Oh, okay. This one, and now let's choose yellow. Okay, so this is our first backdrop. Okay, now we'll also make some sprites for it. Let's drag. We're changing this up arrow key. Okay, let's control forever. Wait 1 second. And now looks. Next back. Okay, that's fine. Now let's test it. Okay. Let's make our backdrop animated. Okay. Once more backdrop, and now we'll right click on it and click on duplicate. So here we'll add different colors to these circles. This will make red, green, this one will be purple, no, blue, and this one will be black. Now here we'll add light sky blue, and this one orange. Okay, that's fine. So let's begin with let's start out this. Okay, now let's try. See, okay, this is fine. So hope it was helpful for you. If you like, please, if it was helpful for you, then please click on like button and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.